That's like
That's like for fashion. We are running because
for healthy lifestyle.
yeah, for healthy lifestyle. Okay, so we decided to go and do some furniture shopping. We are gonna upgrade our apartment. We live right next to a freaking Ikea. It's there. Yeah, you can see the sign. But yeah, we decided to upgrade our apartment a little bit because we're so rich. Yes, yes, yes. What is there? I mean, this looks just like any other IKEA. I was expecting something more interesting.
Wait a minute. This isn't my world. Disappointed!
Look what's in the fridge. You know what I want? I want this. This. Yeah, and there we can put our money. Just normal IKEA. I don't know what we were expecting though. This toilet. Do you want to have a freaking toilet?
How?
With a curtain.
How?
A toilet with a curtain. Okay, Nastya is already trying on clothes. Nastya, this is not a casting, please.
Oh, that's like
That's like for fashion.
Ooh, family photos.
Technological. What kind of sofa do you want for our apartment?
This one.
This, yeah, of course.
Big.
It's not the fastest.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 10,000 yens.
Oh, but in our apartment, better one because
Yeah, we have a
the
better one.
USB.
Oh, really? I didn't even know that.
Work.
Oh, it doesn't work. So I see that people come here to just sit on the sofas.
Yeah. It's for vouchers.
I like this. You see it?
It looks like people came here just to see.
Yeah, but for real, everybody just like having a relaxing time. I like this room. Look at this. I like.
I'll take a shower. Swedish tradition.
Swedish traditions. Do you want to read some Swedish traditions? Swedish traditions. I like this a lot. This is
What's
like
the view?
the view is. It's actually nice.
Seriously, there's a view.
Why do they hide it? Why do they hide it? It's just a good view. I was expecting a wall. We need more of those to hang laundry. Okay, this is the weirdest room. The artwork is very interesting. It has a keyboard. Does it work? No, the keyboard doesn't work. Why? No, it's not plugged in. Or is it IKEA? What is that?
But display only, not for sale.
You understand? You understand? Let's play some guitar. Swedish traditions? No? Oh, another.
I think someone wanted. Yeah, that's our favorite food.
Oh, yeah. Swedish traditions.
They're the same page.
Oh.
I just
Oh.
see that I opened it on the same page.
Christmas, 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 Christmas. In Sweden, they just like Christmas a lot. Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you.
What are you going to cook here? Yeah.
Maybe rice?
Rice. Yeah, I like it.
Or dumplings for you.
We're gonna make dumplings in that big pan. No, Masha, don't. Let's go to Masha's room.
I always read it.
You wanna read something? Here, it's a reading corner.
Okay.
What do you wanna read?
Oh.
Which book would you
Swedish
choose?
traditions or Swedish traditions?
Part 1, part 2, part 3. They have a lot of baby rooms, kind of. With babies. For babies, I mean, not with babies. Pig. More pigs, more pigs. Thanks, Masha. Let's play for change. Yes, we're coming.
Do you know how our clean lady looks like? I think like
What is that? Oh, it's a rat.
yeah.
No way. We have cockroaches already. We don't need rats. That's a nice display. I like it. Panda.
My money.
Money.
Place.
It's enough. Oh, I like this chair. Oh my god, Masha, wow. I'm sitting in a, what is it? Looks like an egg or something. Bunk beds.
It's the same like we're in our apartment. Oh, I will go with this girl there. Oh, that's my best friend. Oh my god. We can stay fair at night. Like 24 hours.
The security is not gonna find us.
I think they look after us all the time. Because we're just sitting everywhere.
We're the loudest people in here. Let's go. My butt hurts to sit on this floor. Hello and good morning. Today is really noisy in the street because there's a lot of construction work happening. That's what we have to work with. I have a job again. I don't know what kind of job this is. Yeah, I'm waiting for my car as always, so I'm not going to talk too much. The weather is very rainy. It's very warm, but like it's not actually raining, but it's very kind of dark, even though it's like 8:30 right now, so it should be like normal lighting.